We start from the castle, not just a castle, but a sentinel of centuries. Glynn Castle, standing tall on the edge of the River Shannon, has watched over battles, beauty, and bloodliness.
From animals and wildlife. Leave what you find.
Leave no trace. Plan ahead and prepare. Be respectful for others. Respect farming animals. Oh my God, ulawig niyaw. Good morning everyone. It's in today's video. We are here at Glynn, County Limerick for night walk. So, here we go.
Trail na ito naman yun.
The wire, may ano siya, electricity, no? So, maano kanigali, makurinti. Electric fence. Oh, may butterfly. May makita kagali na mo ni ho. Yeah. Let it be. And Glynn Ferry Trail. Oh my God, nice. Yeah. Clean up after your dog. Clean up after your...
After Nonoy.
After Nonoy. We walk past fields once guarded by the lords and legends, towards a wire humming low with warning the electric fence. It stands between us and the woods, a place we were told not to touch, not to enter. But why? Is it danger, or simply the fear of discovering what lies beyond? We do not cross in rebellion, we cross in purpose, because every great journey meets resistance, and every legend begins where comfort ends. The fence shocked the skin, but it cannot stop the soul, so we walk together through history, through silence, through the shadow of Glynn. Basi, gurpita magkurog. Oh, hindi.
Plastic man siya.
Kulbaan ko. Oh my God. Yachts.
Kung may nabili na
What's water bottle is this, please? Just get to Askitan Big House. So this trail is lasts for 2 hours. Yeah, walking maybe. Walking, Noy?
Yes.
Yeah, walking.
And chica.
Walking and chismis, marites. Tatlo ka Pilipino, nadula. Nakitaan. After a week, nakitaan. Nag-holding hand, nagkalakuryente. Oh my God. Una pa.
Siguro ka lang para ma-video mo.
In memory of Martin and Mary.
Oy.
So, we are in the Rockhole Wood, kuno? We're on the Rockhole Wood, so good luck sa akon. Di, kaya ko niya. Ako pa. Oh my God. So, here with me is the professional walker and professional tour guide. Hi! We're on the Rockhole Wood, a quiet place where stone slips beneath the trees, no gates, no walls, just echoes and earth that remembers. Hindi ka niya magtalang kay may mga araw. Si kay Wild. Oh my God. Jimmy.
Linggo ka lang daan?
Yeah. Second gate. Wala. Second gate. Thank you. Wow.
If you feel lazy, you walk.
Lazy high. If you're lazy, stay here. Don't go with us. Wow. This is nature. Welcome to Don Salvador, Philippines. Uy, first time, di ba lang nag-amo ni kainit sa Ireland? Mayo naglakata subong, kaya the next day, rainy na. Maulan na.
Nakahatos sa service sa area sa Ireland at 29 degrees.
The hottest is 29 degrees. But in the Philippines,
18. Ang pagkakas nila. Sama na daw sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas naman yan. Kasi agad ang mga tato. Pero daw typical na natin ito yung mga daw.
oo
29:30.
And pagido, in loving memory of Elizabeth, R.I.P. Oh my God, may view to sa babaw.
Ang family. Si Desmond Healy. Isa. Healy.
3 plus, pero ang full package, 500 plus. Look at the view. Noy ka namin isang view. Another patay. Hindi ko naging English. Look at that. Oh my God. So nice.
Fields of green.
Nada iya pa usang lipak inong pang uliyaw. Tapos, mamusuon ka sa wayang, kakaong ka mais. Pagkaubos mo sa mais, amo na sa iuli mo dayon.
Kaya wala mais, mga dahon na lagpad. Tapos mabuslot pa.
Oh my God, dami. Sa pabutangan, tree house, oh.
This one, no?
Nice. We're on the wilderness. Oh my God.
Nice.
The Horan family in memory of Marie Horan. Puro in loving memory.
Sabi no, may kontra ka mga sponsor kamanda isa ka bench.
Siya ibutang mo. Tuli Glass Hill. This is a Tuli Glass Hill. So ang wala na tuli, hindi pwede. So,
Gloves ko na yun.
ano na pa, dala ka na yung stick na mapasaka na tayo sa langit, yahaw. Here's a tractor. This is food for the cow. Food for the cow. Hi! Look at the view. Oh my God. I'm already tired, but still can manage. At the top of Tuli Glass Hill stood a single chair, not forgotten, not abandoned, just waiting. The wind moved through it gently like someone was still sitting there, and maybe they were, because the chair was for loved ones who once walked these woods with us and still does in quieter ways. It belongs to memory now, to love that never leaves. Pag-vlog, naka-landscape.
Landscape lang flat.
Oo, pag serious mo sa Facebook, naka-portrait.
Portrait ang
this is a telescope. Oh my God, kitaon! Paano ni Noy? Wala mo kami makita.
Basi mahulog ka piso? Ano?
Hindi lang ako kabalo. Ikaw, Bipaw? Thank you.
Final resting place.
Here, all fated life. This is a prequel to the murder. Murder, most foul. Hanging of to murder. Murder hunt. At the Glen viewing deck, the horizon stretches wide, but history presses close. So guys, I'll show you the viewing deck. The viewing deck without
a dick.
I'm longer, right?
The final resting place. In 1819, beauty here was stained by tragedy. Eileen Scanlan, the Colin Bone, was found murdered in the Shannon. This deck wasn't built for grief, it was built for wonder. But on that fateful day, sorrow found its way here too. And since then, some say the breeze carries more than river mist. It carries memory, whispered in the hush of water and wind. We come here not just to rest but to remember, to say silently her story still lives on. This deck is more than a view, it's a final resting place not just for soul lost but for our own forgetting. Her silence become remembrance and remembrance become peace.
Sean, the vista with the visita. Ha?
The vista on Glen Night Walk is a sweeping viewpoint over the River Shannon, rolling Irish countryside and sometimes the distant Atlantic. It's located near the highest point of the walk, often just past the viewing deck with benches or clearings nearby.
So, hindi kami diya madula kay upod namon ang basto ni Noah. Si Noah.
Guys, sorry lang sa baston ni Noah. Baston gali ni Moses. Nalipat ko. Hindi, gali baston ni Noah kay Moses. Gali tingala ko kadlaws nunoy kay.
Next is, we are in a Fairy Hill Wood. Oh, Fairy. If you are here in this destination, you should know how to do the fairy walk in a fairy hill.
Fairy Wood was unlike the others. The air there was lighter but older. They say it is a side place where the fair folk once danced beneath the moon. We didn't speak much there, we just walked gently. Moss covered the stones, the trees leaned in like they were listening. Some woods hold stories but Fairy Hill Wood holds secrets.
Gurabon ka di sang ano? Hala ka nami, isang woods. Oo, sila yang kalanon ta. Next stop, Mambukal. You know why we're here? Because the Centra is here. We bought some food from Centra. In a night trail. Oh my God. Miyari ko to nakita. So, to all of our friends in Askeaton, if we're lost, you can find us here at the night trail. We're just here to buy a water and a food in a Centra, okay? If we're lost, we're just here. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Nami no isang ano kahoy.
We came to the trees, not just trees but markers. Each one carried name, each hung, tied with ribbon or written in bark. Names of those who walked before us, those who couldn't finish the walk but still belong to it. The forest remembers them, wind through the leaves sounds like their laughter, and as long as the trees stand, their names do too.
In fairness, wala ko gin allergy subong. Hangin. Pasakaon mo ko da. Saka to kasi.
Halong na to.
Hindi ko yung mapilas. Legs ko da. Nagdalos balik pa na. Oh my God. Sige, sige. Be careful, Pao. So, Paulo is going up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you a monkey? So, Paulo is there. Katawan. Dayon. Ayaw po.
Palapit ka sa ako.
And we tried to make a serious reel. It's end up filming a blooper reel. Behind every reel is a laugh attack. This is what happened when your friends has too much personality. The forest saw everything, including bloopers.
Here is Holy Kifolium. This tree. The spot for picture. Here's a favorite, one of my favorite place here in Night Trail. This view, and there's a big tree that they cut already. So we'll try to jump in there. Yeah. Wow, wala. Nice view here. With the nice people behind of the camera and the princess. Oh my God. So, let's go. Third gate. Third gate pa lang ta? Oh wow. It's nicest here.
Siguro na yun. O, data Pao, no? Matanaw lang ko di Pao.
Oh my God, Noy.
Baan man si Pao, di makadto sila man.
Nami pagkita. Oh my God. So nice.
Pagkanto ko din ang bells para sa church. Nag-aqua.
That's it. Third gate. So heading to a fourth gate. Naisip ko na ang gate halin kagina eh. Ika-4 ni. Pero ang ging ano ta, ang place na na-visit ta, ika-6 na ni, ika-6.
1 hour and 17 minutes tao.
1 hour and 17 minutes. Yeah, water. Hindi, abi ko gani kapoy.
Malingaw ko.
Kapoy, asang tawa.
Napud mo si Pao.
Oh my God. Nice.
Oh, Paraling. Mag-vlog ka dalin.
Hari gani oh. This is a dwarf house. Diwindi.
Welcome to the Lizzie High. They call it Lizzie High not for its height but for the way it lifts you. We didn't just see the view, we felt in our faces, in our laughter, in a way no one could finish a line without cracking up.
Tama.
Snack stop.
Okay.
Damo ba?
Ay, mong nari ko din. May tissue ta.
Thank you, Noy.
May tissue. Chicken, ano tawag siya?
Healthy man niya.
Oh, healthy na.
We have a chicken wrap. What wrap do you have? Gift wrap?
Pa kung gusto ka. Kailan mo ko.
So, chicken wrap. Ano na yun mo ya? Beef?
Masarap.
No, also chicken wrap. This is the masarap.
Ari, abrihan ka ng bread. Sige, ibutang ka nga pa.
Nice. Fourth gate. Fourth. Fifth. Yung bag ko wala ko ginaano kay ang akon bala nga right nga shoulder sakit. You know, hackwaters. Hindi gidya pwede na wala hackwaters. Namit. Oh my God. Gatigab ko ba? Gaburp ko? I'm full. Big shout out to Nunoy for saving the walk and our stomachs. That wrap was legendary, delicious wrapped and delivered with love. You're the real MVP of the trail. So we are walking for more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour already. Ah! Baka. Amo ni adlaw-adlaw i-walking mo, mayo hindi ka mag-fit sini. Oo. Sunog ka na ya. Hindi lang nga sunog, burn gid ya. Go-walking siya gani. Yan, nakaporma siya yan eh.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, yeah, lovely day. Six gate. 6. Ako na pa. Pila na yan ka gate? I count the gate. We're on a 6th gate. Same, it's a rockwood. We're on a race field. Wow! Look at that. That's why damo taho. We crossed the race fields wide open almost till now, but once this ground standard with hooves, with cheers, with people gathering for something more than just the view. There were races here of horses, maybe dreams, where the young ran and the old remembered. Now it's grass and wind, but the stories are still running. So we finish our walk. The hills, the woods, the stories all behind us now. There were laughs, stumbles, reels that never made the cut. The moments we've talked about for years. We came here looking for something and left with something better. Satisfaction, peace, and shawarma-fueled memories. Ah, finish! So, only 7 gate. 7 gate. 7. Amo na to ika-7. So, this is it, guys. We complete the trail for, I think, more than an hour only. Because we're fast walkers. Now we are going home and rest and eat. Drink a coffee and rest and peace.